What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at our Dutchess yard. I spent my morning running to the lumber yard and also ABC Supply. I dropped off a bunch of material to our construction crew. We have a bunch of guys working at Sparrow's Nest today, but the reason me and Rodrigo are here right now is we have 5 of our plow trucks in here. We have my TerraStar right here. We have the new TerraStar that we got. I don't know if I've ever made a video on this. If I have it, I'm gonna have to, but here is a sneak peek of it. And then we have 3 more spare trucks, which are actually all for sale. If anybody is interested, leave a comment, let me know, we can get in touch. But I just picked up 6 new batteries for these 3 trucks. These have been sitting for quite some time, but our plan is to get all 5 of these trucks out of here today. We have the battery charger on my truck currently. It was dead. My father parked it in here and didn't disconnect the batteries for the summer, so we got here today and of course it was dead. So we got this one charging. The yellow one started right up, but we're gonna throw these batteries in these 3 trucks right now and then check the fluids, and as long as everything is good, we're gonna start them up and pull them on out of here. Well, that one started right up.
Boom!
Yeah.
Nice.
He's selling that one.
Every single one?
Well, he's selling all of them, but one guy wants that one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, the guy that does his driveway, or does his landscaping,
Oh, yeah?
he does like a parking lot, but he has a small pickup truck. He says he fills his sander like 20 times.
Oh.
So he wants a big sander and just one time full.
Oh, he like this one.
Alright guys, we are taking my TerraStar for the first ride of this season. Unfortunately, we're not going very far. We are heading to a local Fleet Pride. They're going to do an inspection on this for me. My inspection expired last year. So, unfortunately, we cannot drive it very far. We got to drop it off there. But I figured since it is the first drive of the year in this truck, it's been sitting all summer, I might as well take you guys with me in case anything exciting happens. Hopefully nothing too exciting happens, but I'm just waiting on Rodrigo and we are hitting the road. it was the starter fluid making it close.
Yeah.
I don't know why it won't turn over.
You want to try one more time? We don't want to try. Push too much this one. So.
Huh. Why won't it start? Why won't it start? Well, we can't get the one that started out.
What?
We can't get that one out.
Which one?
The other one that started.
Oh.
Unless we can move this. If we can move this, we can get that one out. Alright guys, so we're back at our Duchess yard. This truck here will not turn over. We put new batteries in all three of these trucks and we don't know exactly why this one won't start. But this one right here fired right up immediately. And then this one here started smoking on us. So there was something burning up as we turned it over. So we're trying to dig into that now and see if we can find exactly what was burning up.
Vámonos.
You see a fire?
Nada.
Try it again.
Uno.
You want to try it again?
Uno.
You want to try it?
Vámonos.
You see a fire?
No.
Did it start before? I don't remember.
Well,
Did this truck start or was just smoking?
this is smoking.
Alright guys, so we can't get this truck to replicate the smoking that we saw before. We thought it might have been the wires off the starter. The starter is down in there, you can see it. But nothing down there looks burnt and it's not doing it anymore as we try and crank it. But obviously it won't turn over either. So what we are going to do is connect our air compressor to this fitting right here, fill the tank, that way we can release the air brakes on it, and then we're going to drag it with our tool cat. We'll drag it out. Probably going to have to go back and forth a couple times to get this thing out, but our goal is to drag it out and then push it back into this corner. That way we can get this truck in the corner over here out of this shop and get it cleaned up. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Plenty of room. So our plan now, since the truck behind it runs, we're gonna try and push this thing. If we can get this truck over just a little bit and push on the back of this auger motor, we're gonna put a block in between, but we're gonna try and push this truck pretty much as far as we can go. We have about probably 8 feet here, maybe a little bit more. So we're gonna try and just get this truck tucked up in the corner here, and then maybe if we're lucky we can sneak that truck out. I don't think so, but we'll see what happens. What do you need a floor jack for? Just use this.
Hello.
Jesus, like that way. That's it.
Yeah. No, what he needs to do is come in on this angle. Lift it and just drive forward.
This is moving. Everything.
No, not hydraulic.
Yeah, it's controlled. Yeah. Yeah, it's controlled. Yeah. Jesus, what's an open control?
Oh. Wait, Dad, go back up. Go back up. Go back up.
Well, we did all of that. Yeah, we did all of that. And so yeah, that's what
That's it.
Too much?
Yeah, lift it up. Yeah.
Wheels straight.
Why is it dying? You might run out of propane.
No. Well, get it out of here first. Drop it.
Are you fucking kidding me with this fucking thing?
Oh. Well, get it out of here. What do you mean? Why are you leaving it? Yeah, I might as well get it out. We can at least get it to start and move it. Alright. All right, guys, so we were making good progress. Unfortunately, we ran out of propane in this forklift. I'm very impressed with this forklift. I don't know how much the front end of this truck weighs, but it was lifting it like no problem. I'm not a big fan of this forklift to begin with. There is an issue with a sensor. I don't know if it's like a sensor in the seat or what it is. It seems like it's like a safety sensor that when you come up off the seat, it throws it into neutral. So since we've gotten this, I have not really been a big fan of it. We also have not used it much at all, but we're out of propane, so we are pretty much done for the day. We were trying to shimmy this truck over enough in order to get this one out. Our plan was to get it out, get it up by the upper garage and pressure wash it, but obviously it is a bit landlocked. We might be able to sneak it out here with about a 30-point turn, but it would just be a bit too much to try. So we are calling it quits. We did get this truck pushed forward as far as we can. So decent progress here, not as much as we would have liked, but it is what it is. That is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.